Okay, so Apple recently released the iPhone 17e. But is it waterproof? In short answer, no, it isn't waterproof. But it is water resistant. But you might be thinking there is IP68 rating. What does that actually mean? Well, so there is a good amount of difference between the waterproofing and water resistance. And the water resistance is something that is explained by this IP68 or the IP54, whatever the ratings are. But the IP ratings, the ingress protection rating, and the first digit actually shows about the device's enclosure protection against solid particles. In this case, it's the 6, which means it's completely dust proof. It's the best rating. That means there is no way, if unless until you repair it by yourself and break the seal, there is no way dust can enter inside the device and damage any components. And then there is a second number, in this case 8. But IP67 and IP68 has some distinct differences. You should know about that. The number 7 means the device can resist water up to a depth of 1 meter, but that's for 30 minutes. And this is for the IP67. In the case of IP68, the minimum has to be 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That's the minimum. Any other company can test and come up with the result of 6 meters for 30 minutes. But that's up to them. But the minimum is always 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That's a general thing. In the case of iPhones or the recent iPhones, this is 6 meters for 30 minutes. So the iPhone 17e, the $599 cheaper iPhone 17 model, is not gonna get affected by water immersion up to a depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. But then I'm talking about only the fresh water. And this test also has been done inside the laboratory. So the real lab scenarios will always differ. But if you're thinking about the chemical water or salt water like the seawater or something like that, or you're talking about beverages, hot beverages or other things like that, these things can actually damage the components inside the phone. So do keep that in mind. So you can do light shower with it, or you can also go to swimming pool. But that's probably it. Also, this number and this whole seal and everything is only for a few years, because over the years of wear and tear, this will also get damaged. So there is a good chance once your phone is older, it will be prone to get damaged by water immersion or even dust. So that's totally IP68 on the iPhone 17e. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.